If you're dating someone new, it can be really helpful to know what indicators to look for to know whether or not this relationship has potential, whether this is something that can really turn into something amazing. And so in this video, I'm going to give you 4 key principles to look for that can let you know whether the relationship you're in has the potential to last forever. Check it out. Now, before I give you these 4 principles, I want to address the fact that often in society, we're conditioned with this mentality of the lightning bolt experience. What does that mean? That means that the moment you meet someone, we're supposed to know whether or not they are the one.
How are you?
Right? It's like you want this lightning bolt moment. You want this chemistry to wash over you for you to feel like, oh my gosh, I've met my soulmate. And we're conditioned this way that we're going to meet eyes from across the bar and instantly know whether or not this is the one. And this can really get in our way and thwart our love life. I know it did for me, because I would often not even pursue someone unless I knew that they were the one, or I felt that electricity come over me because I wanted that kind of romantic experience. But in all of my research over the last 10 years, what I've discovered is that while that does happen for some people, way more often the experience is much different. Way more often what you get in the beginning of a relationship is a seed that has potential. Where what people who want the soulmate experience want, it's like they want this tree. They want the full tree experience right out of the gate. But way more often what we get is a seed that if you plant it, nurture it, and grow it, it has the potential to become something beautiful, to become something magnificent. And so these 4 keys let you know whether the seed of the relationship you have has the opportunity to become something that can last a lifetime. Principle number 1 is calm. Do you feel calm and peaceful in this other person's presence? It's way overlooked. Too often we're wanting that rush of chemical attraction. We're wanting that lightning experience. We want that excitement and the thrill of the relationship. We want the butterflies in the stomach. Where that is short-lived, that will actually die off. Way more importantly is, do you feel calm around them? Is there an ease and a flow early in the relationship? Is it easy to talk to them? Is it easy to be with them? And do you feel calm around them? That is a great indication that you're on solid footing in this relationship. Number 2 is congruence. And 2 aspects of this coin, 2 sides to the same coin here. Congruence is the person you're dating congruent? Is what they say and what they do aligned? But the second aspect of congruence is, do you feel aligned with who you are? In other words, do you feel free to really be yourself, to speak your mind, to share your dreams, to be authentic in this interaction? Because the other person that you're in this relationship with, are they creating a field of acceptance, an environment where you feel loved and safe enough to really be yourself? If you do, that's really fertile ground for a great relationship. Number 3 is compatibility, and this is really the groundwork for a lasting relationship. Are you compatible with this other person in 3 primary areas? Are you compatible in your view of money and your spending habits? You know, is one of you a big spender and another one a saver? That's going to create conflict. Do you view money the same way? Second area of compatibility is health. Do you have the same health habits? Do you eat healthy? Do you work out? Do you value health in your life? And the third is lifestyle and cleanliness, because chances are if it goes the distance, you're going to be living together. So do you value being clean, or do you value being disorganized? Either way, you want to have someone who shares the same values with you. And number 4 is chemistry. You do not want to be married to someone or in a long-lasting relationship with someone where there is no chemistry. But chemistry is often misunderstood, because we will often think, if I don't have immediate chemistry with this person, then I will never get that chemistry that I want. And I can tell you, after coaching women for over 10 years, I've seen it time and time again, that sometimes chemistry comes right away. But other times chemistry will come after a few dates, that there becomes a connection and a friendship that catches fire. And that as you open up, as there's that part of you that really opens up to this other person and connects to them more deeply, that can often be when the chemistry ignites. So if you feel that you're really into this person, but the chemistry might not be there, give yourself a chance. Give this interaction a few dates, lean into it, and you just might notice that the chemistry catches fire later. So there you have it, 4 indicators that the guy that you're seeing just might be the one who can go the distance, just might be the relationship that can last a lifetime. And what I would love to know from you is, what do you deem as most important? When you're dating someone new, what do you look for that indicates that this might be a relationship that has potential? Go ahead and post that in the comment section below, and subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed, because every Thursday you're going to get a brand new video to empower you in your love life and increase love in the world one heart at a time. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.